Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. And how are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Just guess me what is my name?
Uh, BJ.
Right. My name is Vijay. What's your
BJ.
name?
Hannah.
Hannah. Okay, Hannah. What is the name of your means, Hannah?
What is the meaning of my name?
Right.
I heard that in Arabic it means grace of God.
Grace of the God.
Mm-hmm.
I think you will achieving grace of the God in your life till now.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that.
Just put your efforts to remembering the grace of the God.
Okay, I'm gonna try from now on.
Okay.
Vijay, what does your name mean?
My name is Victory. Victory.
What do you mean?
Victory. You don't
Oh,
know what is the means of
victory.
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 Right, definitely. This is the name of my niece.
Have you been achieving victory in your life?
Yeah, def I don't believe in God, I think.
Mhm,
I believe on a work. Whenever because God is also say for someone, if you are doing
mhm.
something, then you will achieve. Don't depend on 100% on a God. You will
Okay.
help on self, then I will help you. You will not
Mm,
able to help on self, then I will not do anything for in your life. So first of all, you should try doing something in your life, then I will help you. Yeah, definitely don't rely on a God self. So first of
mhm.
all, you should help on self.
So, for example, if I want a promotion at work, I shouldn't just go to church every day and pray for a promotion at work.
So it's effective. I think my point of view, it's my point of view. If you are grace of the God, if you are, it means is that your mind think in a positive direction. That is a
Mm,
good point of the prayer.
right. But my point is, in relation to what you said, if I want a promotion and I want a raise, I should work hard for my promotion and raise, and I shouldn't just pray that I get a promotion and a raise.
Because during the struggle time, you pray for God. It means that with someone in someone with you with the struggle time. Think
Mhm.
during the struggle time, you are pray for God. So you don't feel alone at that time. So God with me right now. So I think that is the positive point of God will help me. So I think that is a good point.
Mm.
Everyone think
Go ahead.
so. Everyone, I think this is the positivity to prayer the God.
Mhm.
Prayer, it's not a uh, it's a good point, I think, because someone is a whenever you are pray for someone, you are pray for it's a during the prayer time you think positive. So I think this is a good. It's not
Mm.
bad, but you should do on your life. You have
Yeah.
to put your 100%. Then definitely, God will help you. If you 100% depend on God, God will help. I can do anything. So that's why. So I
Mhm.
can do anything in your life. So God will help me. So it's your mentality is wrong, I think, absolutely.
Mm. So, yeah, I agree with you. Hey, Vijay, where are you from?
I'm from India.
And you live in India?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Have you here on your profile, it says you live in the United Kingdom.
I am living United Kingdom, but I am living in India. How is
Oh.
surprised? My think my dream come true.
Your dream came true. You're gonna walk out of your house and you're gonna realize you're in London.
Definitely. Whenever this lesson is finished, I want to exit my room. Then I will see here and there. This is a London. It's not
How did
London.
I end up here?
It's India. Definitely.
And and what do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. I teach a student.
You teach instrument.
I teach student, not instrument. Instrument are things.
Oh.
How can I teach an instrument?
I don't know, you could teach someone to play an instrument.
No, I teach students, right?
Okay, but what
Yeah.
subjects?
I just guess me which subject I teach.
Um, math.
Oh, just I am a male person, then I can teach only a math. It's your psychology thing, right?
No, that's not what I was thinking. Have no idea how I'm supposed to guess what you teach.
I teach English subject.
You teach what subject?
English subject.
English.
Definitely.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
So you seem like a very happy, positive person. How do you manage to be happy and positive all the time?
Whenever I free, I meditate.
Mm.
Meditate and control my thought. Because no one is perfect. No one is a true in this universe. Be alone, be happy. That is a good key of happy, I think.
So how many hours or minutes a day do you spend meditating?
I think. When it's starting time a lot, I face a lot of struggle. Okay, it's
Mhm.
very hard work whenever you controlling on self thought. It's very hard work when controlling on thought. It's not a easy task for someone. You can't control your own thought because it's very really it's very difficult task to control your own thought. It's generated again and again, again and again. So I control myself just 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So and increasing day by day, day by day. So I think I'm controlling my this type of activity. Definitely.
Okay,
Yeah.
very cool. I've tried to
You
meditate,
should
but
try.
yes, it's
You should
very
try.
difficult.
Yeah, it's very difficult. It's not a. Do you know halwa?
Mm-mm.
Halwa like a very easy within a time you cook. It's just
Mhm.
like it's not halwa. Meditate. You should put 100% effort. Then you will achieve.
Mm,
When you give effort, then you will achieve.
mm.
Strength. Strength means hard work, not a pain. Hard work equal to strength.
Do you have you heard of guided meditations?
What?
Guided meditations.
Guide meditation. No, I have lots of book this type of meditation. So I just
Mm.
learn reading. So
I think in the West, in the United States, guided meditations are very popular. So maybe you go to a class, for example, and you close your eyes and you try to focus, but somebody speaks to
because
you.
yeah, definitely because everyone is engaged with someone life. I'm
Mhm.
alone. I have no friend. You are the good friend in your own life. Okay, why are you sad? Definitely, I'm unmarried. I want to be married with someone. Hope time will come. But why are you wasting your time right
Time
now?
will come, or maybe you should go out and try to meet people.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a very incredible thought whenever you shared me, Vijay, you are from United States. I think my dream come true. So that is a good. I think depend on a thinking. Whenever your mindset is positive, you feel positive. Your mindset is negative, then you every time you think negative. So depend on a
Mm.
mind. That's why I told you no one is true in this universe.
Say that
Definitely,
again?
no one is true in this universe.
I don't
Definitely.
understand.
No one is true in this universe. I think you got it now.
Oh, true.
True, true, true. Right, definitely.
What do you mean by true?
True, I think wrong and true, true, false. True means is right.
Mhm. No
True
one
means
is
right.
right. Yeah, yeah,
Right,
yeah.
definitely.
Maybe better.
Whenever anybody are talking with you, I think they have a something fishy in mind. Something is running. They will achieve something from you. That's why
Mm,
are buttering with you. You are looking so cool, handsome, charming. Oh, you are a rich person. Wow, what a wonderful. I think they have a jealous inside, but outside to do
mm.
expressing. Wow, I appreciate you a lot. But inside. You are not seeing what are inside that person,
Mm.
but that will see after the some time. Oh, the exact face is that, but you show me a fake face, right? But after the some time you will see, definitely.
Very good point. I like your philosophy.
So definitely,
Vijay, what time is it in India right now?
uh, right now time is 8:30.
At night.
It's evening time,
Oh,
8:30.
wow. We are in opposite schedules. Here it's 8
You
a.m.
can,
With your family?
yeah, me and my father and my mother, I live with them.
Okay.
That's right.
You guys have eaten dinner?
Yeah, I just finished everything.